Have you ever dreamed of retiring early, leaving the 9 to 5 grind behind, traveling the world, spending more time with your family, or simply doing what you love every day? Early retirement isn't just a fantasy anymore. With the right financial plan and consistent habits, it's absolutely achievable. Let's talk about how you can plan your journey to early retirement, step by step. Step 1. Define what early retirement means to you. Before you start planning, you need to know what your version of early retirement looks like. Ask yourself, do you want to retire at 40, 50, or just a few years before the traditional age of 60 or 65? Early retirement doesn't always mean you stop working completely. It can also mean achieving financial independence so you can choose when and how you work. The clearer your vision, the easier it will be to build a plan that fits your goals and lifestyle. Step 2. Calculate your retirement number. Next, you need to figure out how much money you'll need to retire comfortably. A common rule is the 25x rule. You need roughly 25 times your annual expenses saved or invested to retire. For example, if you plan to spend $40,000 a year in retirement, you'll need about $1 million saved. However, this number depends on your lifestyle, expected medical costs, travel plans, and inflation. So take time to estimate your monthly expenses and multiply them by 12 to get your yearly spending. Then use that to calculate your total goal. Step 3. Cut expenses and save aggressively. Early retirement means you'll need to save more and faster than the average person. Start by reviewing your expenses. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Small sacrifices now can lead to huge gains later. Cut unnecessary subscriptions, eat out less, buy secondhand when possible, and look for cheaper alternatives that don't compromise quality of life. Try to save at least 40% to 60% of your income if you're serious about early retirement. It might sound tough, but remember, every extra dollar saved today brings you closer to financial freedom tomorrow. Step 4. Increase your income streams. Saving is great, but saving alone won't get you there fast. You need to earn more. Focus on increasing your income through side hustles, freelance work, investing, or starting a small business. Look for ways to turn your skills into money-making opportunities. Many people who retire early rely on multiple income streams, such as rental income, dividends, or online businesses. The more streams you build, the faster you can reach your financial goals, and the safer your retirement will be. Step 5. Invest wisely and start early. The power of compound interest is your best friend in this journey. Start investing as early as possible. Even small amounts can grow into a large sum over time. You can invest in low-cost index funds and ETFs, stocks that pay dividends, real estate investments, retirement accounts like 401k, IRAs, or mutual funds. Focus on long-term growth rather than short-term profits. The goal is to build a portfolio that grows steadily and provides passive income during retirement. If you're not sure where to start, use automated investing platforms or consult a certified financial planner. Step 6. Plan for health and insurance. Many people forget that healthcare can become a major expense during retirement, especially if you retire before you qualify for government health benefits. Research and plan for health insurance options ahead of time. Set aside a health fund or consider investing in a health savings account, HSA, if available. It's better to prepare now than struggle later. Step 7. Prepare for inflation and emergencies. Inflation slowly eats away at your money's value over time. What costs $1,000 today might cost $1,500 in 10 years. That's why your investments should grow faster than inflation. Real estate, stocks, and index funds are great ways to protect your wealth. Also, always keep an emergency fund, at least 6 to 12 months of living expenses, so you're ready for any unexpected financial bumps along the way. Step 8. Visualize and review your progress. Your early retirement plan isn't something you set once and forget. Review it every year. Adjust your savings rate, update your budget, and track your investments regularly. Life changes, jobs, families, and goals evolve. Keep your plan flexible. Visualization helps too. Picture yourself living that free, peaceful life. It keeps you motivated, especially when saving feels difficult. Step 9. Enjoy the journey. Finally, remember that planning for early retirement isn't just about money. It's about freedom, time, and peace of mind. Enjoy the process. Celebrate small wins like paying off debt or hitting a savings milestone. It's a journey worth taking, and every step brings you closer to the life you've always imagined.